Hello everyone, welcome to ABC Fund Management System Kick-Off Meeting. This is Bob Koch, the product manager from Moody Analytics. Today, we not only have the team members from Moody's, we also have the members from ABC Fund Management System. As you know, from the last several months, Moody Analytics and the ABC Fund Management are working very closely for the project fund management system. For this project, Moody's Analytics gonna build the new fund management system to provide ABC management the entire strategy to solve your current fund performance issues. First, please join me to give a warm welcome to our friends from ABC Company. The project manager, Emily Z. We have the IT manager, Steve V. Also the fund performance manager, Frank X. Then we also have a Victor B and James C from as a fund analyst. In today's meeting, we will talk about first what is Moody Analytics. Moody Analytics is a subsidiary of Moody's Corporation, and as we know, Moody is one of the largest three credit rating agencies. The other in the year 2008, Moody's Analytics became an independent company that aimed to provide systematic solutions for our clients. Our clients are like hedge funds, private equity funds, or large asset management companies like ABC. Our mission is to empowering the customers to make better and faster decisions. Our vision is to be the global leader in solving critical business problems, and our values are customer focus, open mindset, and teamwork. Hopefully, from this project, we can provide ABC comprehensive solutions for your fund management performance. For today's meeting, we will first talk about our project objectives, and then we will cover the project details. After that, you will have a basic understanding of the entire project, and then we can discuss the milestones, workflows, and then the time estimate. So first, the objective of this project is to create a customized portfolio management solution for ABC fund management. What we're gonna do is we're gonna build a site, an online site for ABC to upload your fund files, and then do some assumptions on the site, and after that running your reports from the site. The objectives are automate the process of fund performance reporting. This is a top one. By doing this, you can generating the cash flows for all of your investments. You can generating the monthly performance reports, like you can do the IR calculation, the outstanding value calculation, the realized returns, and then you will have the flexibility to change all level assumptions, like the day you want to exit all the loans, all the investments, and what you want. Let's say if you want to change the rates, like the interest rates for exchange rates, etc. The second objective is that you will have the ability to run different assumptions by adding and dropping different investments. By seeing investments, I mean, including all the loans or all the other kind of debts, whatever investments you have. And then you will have the ability to edit data in the system and run new assumptions. Let's, for example, if you want to change for this year, for this fund you invested loans A, B, and C. Your original estimate is to keep it for 5 years, but right now the loan for these three loans are performing very well. You want to keep it longer, so what you're gonna do is you may want to change the assumptions from 5 year to 10 years in our site, and then uh, once you hit the wrong button, you will get the new scenarios, new profits, new fund performance based on the assumption. Then you keep the loans for 5 years, for 5 more years. So there are two milestones for this project. The milestone one is building the fundamental structure of the system, and milestone two is creating the capacity to add financial models into the system. Our goal is to assist you in creating the automatic solutions, and then to improve your monthly reporting needs. And in order to solve all the objectives mentioned, the final solution is create a user interface, as I mentioned, that allow you to generate various portfolio performance reports. The system will allow you to upload the files and provide downloadable Excel reports. So here it shows you the workflows for this system. You may start with uploading your files, then has all the fund assumptions, instrument assumptions for each loan within each fund. And then we can provide you some data validations into it, and you will be available to view all the data you uploaded and make the changes there too. That's the first part, and then you may need to upload all the historical cash flows for your loans, because our goal is to have the historical loan cash flows, we projected the future cash flows, and we add them up in order to calculate the fund performances like the IRRs. So by doing this, you will have all the cash flows, and the system will be able to run the IRRs or the other performance factors you may want. Here is the timeline for this project. So today is April 10th. We predict the milestone one will be finished, which is the fundamental for infrastructure, will be finished in June the 30th, 2020, and the milestone two, which is the adding more fund methodologies to letting you to create more fund templates, and this milestone two will end at December 30th, 2020. This is this. I hope this can give you a summary of our ABC fund management system project. As you know, we're trying very hard to solve your fund performance reports request, and we hope this project can significantly improve your fund report process. And that's all my presentation. Thank you for attending this meeting, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.